we're going to do some puzzles. That's me around. So like I said, it's a Barbie heel clap. So we got a pink heel Barbie clap. And it's for Barbie, so you have to put it into your heel, and that's Princess going to say, "Hello, this is me, Granny heel," and then she's going to say, "Oh, so look at the orange egg. Let's start with the orange egg." Oh no. Huh? So let's start to open the egg. I'm going to show us that one. I'm going to show us that one. And that is the orange egg. Let's open the blue one. I can't wait what one we go to get. Oh, cool! What we got is the a purple egg. So those eggs are empty. Cool. We got a matcha truck and this open down empty. Down empty. So down not empty. So we have 3 more eggs, and down is no matcha truck and it like me no queen. Orange. Let me open. I got to pick the purple egg out. I don't know what in that one. Well, I'm going to wait for it to crack open. Yay, we got. Oh. No. That's okay. We can put it onto a new egg. So, hey, stop opening. So let's take one of them. I forgot. That's this one. We got a Purple Princess one. And it comes with goggles. It comes with. Close up. Oh! So here's these goggles. a little zombie. Cute. I'm not letting you go see the heading surprise restroom. We got a little stinky, and she name is Mommy. So Mommy, the letter from the surprise egg. Cute. Hello, little. Down empty. Oh, a little Minecraft Steve. So we got boy. You got killed a zombie. No, I can't. Oh. I thought you let me know to do fight it red out. Thank you for coming to my YouTube channel. Bye-bye.
Make sure to check back soon for more videos.